Okay, this is the video. Okay, now you'll find out. Okay, I'm not making any movements. This is the recorded screen. This is the video today morning. Okay, so आज मैंने सुबह एक इसमें ट्रेड लिया था ब्रिटानिया. Let me just check this. I had taken a trade in Britannia today, and this is how a 9:15 to 9:30 particular time slots trade. How does it look like? Okay, very smaller amount to be traded. Sample trade just 400 rupees. And before I share the rest of the video, I want to pinpoint something. Check funds. Check the funds used. This is something that I wanted to point out. So check the funds used. That means out of this balance, out of whatever margin is available with me, okay, I've used only 406 rupees to purchase 2 shares. Yeah, to be specific here, to sell 2 shares. अगर किसी को short sell देखना है तो वो भी short sell ही किया था मैंने, ब्रिटानिया short sell किया था. So to all those who want, to all those who ask questions like how do you select a share in the first 15 minutes, how do you trade, ये सारे questions will be answered. But first I want to emphasize कि यहाँ margin use is 406 है. So I got 2 shares of Britannia which cost around 2,700. So into 2 मतलब 5,500 के ऊपर जाएगा. So 5,500 के अराउंड जो नॉर्मल लगता था मुझे मार्जिन बहुत ही कम लगा. That means in 406 rupees I could earn almost 100 something, 100 plus 107. So I got a 25% rate of return considering the margin used. Okay, so now let's just check how do we do it. Okay, it's still, if you note it properly, it is still not It is still not 9:15. Okay, just check the timing. It is 9:14. Okay, and the market has not yet begun. Now, this is something that I generally do. Nifty has indices opened. I keep all the 4 indices, all the 5 indices open before the opening of the market, and just check. This is the first green candle that is coming up. 9:15 green candle. And now I'm just searching for opportunities कि कौन सा sector ज़्यादा गिर रहा है या ज़्यादा ऊपर जा रहा है. In both the cases, second trade. Okay. Now I'll just forward it to at least next. Just check this. Now I found out that I can take a trade in Nifty FMCG. So I'm searching various charts in FMCG that match my condition. The condition is very simple: open equals high. And just check that one share I found that matched my condition that is going to fall in the next 5 to 10 minutes, which is ITC. So what I do is I go to my portfolio and I add ITC. And I just check the chart before even selling or buying. I just check the chart, and what happened is ITC started rising. So it violated my condition of open equals high. So now I have to select another share. So I found out that Hindustan Unilever is actually falling. So I could sell that share, but the major problem here was the FMCG sector had suddenly started rising. So FMCG sector, while selecting the share, FMCG sector again started rising. So I can't now sell any of the shares if my condition is not matched. So my condition is open should be equal to high. This is a normal condition. Many people trade with open equals high rule. in the first 15 minutes of the day. So 9:15 to 9:30. So I just check ITC chart and it isn't that well. So now again I have to find the stock. I have to forward the video again. I also checked other charts in between, so I just forwarded the video. Again searching for different shares, different charts. मुझे कौन से shares लेने चाहिए? But the major problem here is I could have gone bullish, but the market was first falling and now it had started rising. So had I gone bullish, I would have gone bullish on Dabur. And this is the share that I finally get, Britannia. I add it into my watch list and I select the sell option. Now I have never shown a trade in front of you, so this video can help in this case. So I've sold. It's today morning trade. You can check these values as well. So I've directly taken the decision of selling it after watching the chart, and I've sold 2 shares. Just selling 2 shares. Cover order. Okay. So 2826 around the share went on and it got sold. Now what my prediction is, the first 5 minutes are over. It's 9:20 ka candle that has started forming, and I've sold 2 shares of Britannia at 2825, and now the share is already at around 2815, and I'm just browsing through other shares to check whether there's any other opportunity. Anyways, the day trader should never stop watching any other opportunities as well. He has to be continuously active. He need not take many trades in a day. Until he makes profit, he needs to be active. Once he's profitable, that's he need not take many trades. So I was trying for Dabur. Just check it is I'm in profits, 2 shares. So mind you well, again I have to repeat this, that the margin used, that means the margin used for this trade is just 400 rupees. What is margin used? That means the cash amount that is used, the balance used is just 400 rupees. Okay. Now I am at 40 rupees profit. It's 9:22, so it is a matter just of the first 10 minutes, and just check the value of Britannia. It is now at 2804. We had sold it at 2825. We have sold it already. मतलब अगर वो नीचे गिरेगा तब मुझे प्रॉफिट होगा और ऊपर जाएगा तो लॉस. Let's just skip to the end. So now it dropped to 2789. Okay. Again, I have to I'll just check the just check the funds, just check. So the 407 rupees is just the amount used. I saw it falling more. So what I do is I just edit it. I just wanted to exit as it. So I keep a price which is near to the LTP. And it went further down, so I wanted to edit it again. And it went on. So 72 पे मैंने sell off कर दिया. So it's 107. Check the rate of return. If you check 107 on margin utilized, which is 400 around rupees. So 107 upon 400 is goes to 25%. So 25% can be called as the rate of return of one single trade. Okay. So that was the entire video I wanted to show you. So this is how I know there can be a lot of confusion regarding this aspect as to how did you select that particular share, but that is something that you get by experience, and I can cover these details well, very very elaborately in intraday session, but intraday ka